Okay, let me guess. You don't know where your user manual is anymore, and you got this new air condition, and then all of a sudden you have a blinking red light here. And let me show you, this is in all modes. If you do fan or cool or eco, in all modes you have the blinking red light. Here you can have the mode button, switch the modes. And then here this red light blinks. So it says filter above it. And you take your filter out and it's new, this thing. So it isn't even dirty and still it blinks. And you're surprised and wonder how to fix this. Now even on a clean filter it is blinking, okay? Now you turn it off and it still blinks. Even if the unit, if you turn it off, it keeps blinking. So what is that? That light here, okay? That is the filter reminder light. It reminds you that you should clean the filter independent if the filter is dirty or not dirty. It just comes on by time. And above it is this button where it says filter on it. If you push that, it turns off. And it comes back on every 240 hours just as a reminder.